Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to increase your credit limit on Capital One. Whether you're looking to boost your purchasing power or improve your credit utilization ratio, following these steps can help you achieve your goal. Let's get started. Step 1. Review your current credit status. Before requesting a credit limit increase, take a moment to review your current credit status. Check your credit score and understand any recent changes in your financial situation. A better credit score increases your chances of approval. Step 2. Consider the right timing. Timing is key when requesting a credit limit increase. It's best to wait at least 6 months from your last increase or the opening of your account. This demonstrates responsible credit usage and a history of timely payments. Step 3. Gather necessary information. When you apply for a credit limit increase, you may need to provide some personal financial information. Be prepared to share details such as your employment status, income, and monthly housing payments. Having this information at hand can streamline your request. Step 4. Log into your Capital One account. To request your credit limit increase, log into your Capital One account online or through the mobile app. Navigate to the Account Services or Request Credit Line Increase section. Step 5. Fill out the request form. Once you find the credit limit increase request option, fill out the form with the required information. Capital One may ask you to specify how much of an increase you are requesting. Make sure this amount is reasonable based on your income and credit usage. Step 6. Submit your request. After completing the form, review the information you've provided to ensure accuracy, then submit your request. You will typically receive an immediate decision, although sometimes you may be asked to wait for further review. Step 7. Monitor your email or app notifications. After submitting your request, keep an eye on your email or Capital One app notifications for updates regarding your request status. If approved, you will see your new credit limit reflected in your account. Increasing your credit limit with Capital One is a straightforward process, and by following these steps, you can enhance your financial flexibility. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful financial tips.